Resilience is not just about enduring challenges, it is about thriving in the face of them. In today's dynamic career landscape, when uncertainties and setbacks are common, resilience becomes a key differentiator between those who merely survive and those who excel. Let's begin with mindset. Resilient individuals view setbacks as temporary and challenges as opportunity to grow. For instance, if a project doesn't go as planned, instead of focusing on the failures, ask yourself, what can I learn? What could I do differently next time? This mindset helps you bounce back stronger. Next is self awareness. Recognize your emotional triggers during tough situations. Whether it is frustration over missed deadline or disappointment after a rejection, acknowledging your emotions allows you to manage them constructively. Journaling can be the powerful tool here. Write down your thoughts and feelings to gain clarity. Resilience also involves building a solid foundation of self care. Your mental, emotional, and physical health are interconnected. Prioritize activities that recharge you, whether it is regular exercise, meditation, hobbies, or simply spending quality time with your loved ones. A healthy you is better equipped to handle any kind of challenges effectively. Another important factor is adaptability. The world is constantly changing, and the ability to pivot and adjust is a hallmark of a resilience. For example, if new technology disrupts your role, instead of resisting it, explore how you can upskill or leverage it to your advantage. Being flexible keeps you relevant and confident. Resilience is not built in isolation, it thrives on connections. Surround yourself with positive influencers, mentors, colleagues, and friends who can offer guidance, encouragement, and different perspectives. Sharing your challenges with trusted individuals helps lighten the emotional load and often uncover solutions you hadn't considered yet. Lastly, cultivate gratitude. It might seem counterintuitive during tough times, but focusing on the positives can shift your perspective. Reflect on what's going well in your life, no matter how small. Gratitude fosters a mindset of abundance, making challenges feel more manageable. So, today's action step: reflect on recent career setbacks. Write down three lessons you learned from them and identify one action you can take to turn it into an opportunity. Now, let us recap. Resilience is about mindset, self awareness, adaptability, and the support you build around yourself. It is a skill that transforms challenges into stepping stones for the success. Keep cultivating resilience and watch your career thrive. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more insights on career and leadership coaching. Happy learning. This is Mandar Kulkarni signing out for now until we see you once again.